Hey there, guys. Chet here. If you want to build a Shopify store without spending hours on setup, AI can now create the entire store layout for you in just minutes. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create a full Shopify store using AI. But before we do, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for the 3-day free trial, the $1 per month offer, and you'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with complete confidence. All right, let's get started. To get started, go to the left menu in your Shopify dashboard and click on the Apps tab. As soon as you do, a pop up window will appear where you can browse different integrations that Shopify supports. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type Atlas AI Store Builder in the search bar. When the app appears, click on it to open the details page. Now, once the page opens in a new tab, you'll see the install button. Click on that button to begin the installation. Shopify will now open a pop-up asking for permission to access your store data. Now, this will include viewing basic information and editing store details so that the AI can generate your store automatically. Now, to continue, click the install button at the bottom right corner. Once you've done that, the app will install successfully. Shopify will redirect you back to your home dashboard. Now, under Apps, you'll see Atlas AI Store Builder added to your list. When you open the app, you'll see very many features inside, such as your stores, bundled deals, cart upsells, AI product photos, subscription, and support. These tools will help you optimize your store, but for now, we will focus only on the store building feature. Now, to build your store, click on the store inside the app menu. This will take you to a page where your existing AI stores appear. Now, since we want to build a new one from scratch, click on the Build Store button at the top right corner. Now, a window will appear asking which type of store you want to create. Now, you will see many options like Shopify, AliExpress, Amazon, Alibaba, and custom website. For this tutorial, select Shopify. As soon as you do, a new pop-up window will appear where you need to choose the products that will be added to this store. Simply select the products that you want to include and then click on the Select button. Now the AI process begins. You'll see a progress bar moving forward as the AI builds your store. Once the progress reaches 100%, your store is ready and you'll be taken to the product images page. This is where you add new product images if you want. If you prefer to use the images already generated by the AI, then just click on the Proceed button at the top right corner. After this, you'll reach the color customization step. You can choose the look and feel of your store by selecting the color palette. If you're satisfied with the default color scheme, perfect. Click on the Continue button. Next, you will select a plan. Now you'll go through options like starter plan, growth plan, and one-time payment. You also have the choice to add a discount code if you have one. If you want to save more, click on the annual option to switch to yearly pricing. Once you select your plan, Shopify will automatically import the newly created store into your account. After the import is complete, you can start using the store immediately. And this is how you build a complete Shopify store using AI. The process is quick, simple, and removes most of the manual steps that usually will take you hours. Now you can focus on customizing your products, adding apps, and preparing your store for all of your many customers. If you're ready to build your store, grab that link below. It gives you the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month discount, and the complete access to my Shopify course so that you can follow along building your Shopify store easily. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step Shopify tutorials just like this one. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.